The costs of mate switching for women include the following. So, a damaged reputation as a result of a divorce or infidelity, loss of social support, including friendships and family members. According to Buss and Dentley, there are mate switching costs inflicted from the former partner as a result of the breakup, which include withdrawal of financial support, disclosing damaging personal information, spreading false rumors, stalking, and killing her. That's why I say many of these people are, sort of playing games in these sex, marriage, separation markets, and they just assume that they can get in and get out without too much trouble. But people, um, when they enter these markets, they are entering these markets really sort of, psychologically, mentally broken, and you really don't know who you are getting today. Revenge porn, nude photos, which damages mate value and impairs social position, and then affects children, in which children lose economic investment from their father and kin and may be vulnerable to exploitation. So these are a summary of cause for mate switching.